Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to reset network settings on Samsung Galaxy M11 smartphones.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
If you are experiencing Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or network connectivity issues on your Galaxy device, you can reset all the network settings to their defaults. To begin, open the Settings application. Scroll down and find General Management. Tap on it. From General Management, tap on Reset. Here you should find Reset Network Settings. Tap on it. Simply tap the button, Reset Settings. Draw your current pattern for security reason. Then finally, tap on Reset. That's it. The network settings has been reset. So in this way, you can reset network settings on Samsung Galaxy M11 smartphones. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.